So, Megan dropped her book onto my bed. And the challenge was for her to get the book. That wasn't as entertaining as I was hoping.
Oh, I totally got that book. Hell yeah, you stay, because if you fall again, I'll push you off the bed. No! Don't fish too! Hello!
I want more Philip.
What, is this a game now?
Yep.
This isn't a game.
It is.
Fun. You know what?
What?
I have my pillow.
No. Under my human sexuality binder.
Where'd my book go? Hello?
Your book fell too?
No, I don't know. I hope not. Hello? Okay.